What's up guys? For today's video I'm going to be unboxing a brand I never have before on this channel. I have heard a lot about them only from Instagram, and I feel like not a lot of people unbox their stuff. I could be wrong, I haven't really looked too deep into it, but I just feel like a lot of people don't really unbox their stuff, so this could be a first. So I have no idea if you guys are going to like this video or not, and I don't know if you guys have even heard of this brand or not, but hopefully you have. It is the brand Half Evil. I believe it's just Half Evil, but a lot of their stuff is like 333 Half Evil, but I do believe it's just called Half Evil. Now for their most recent drop, I believe it was like the racing collection, something like that, I was able to get this sick shirt. And what's really cool about them is that all their shirts are only $3.33, and I think like the hoodies are $33.33, and I think the long sleeves are $13.33. I could be wrong, but for facts the shirts are only $3.33, and then you end up paying $6.66 for shipping, and I think that's like flat rate, so I think you could get like two shirts and it's just gonna be $6.66 for shipping. Anyways, that's really cool. You can only get a shirt for $9.99 shipped, and that was how much I paid for this. It was flat out $9.99, and that's shipped. I no more, no less. So let's just get right into it. Enough talking. I'm always talking a lot. I try not to. I tell myself every video I'm gonna try to talk a little bit less, but it never happens. But I can see that it looks like this is repackaged. So I don't know if that was the post office. I don't know if that was them. Hopefully it was them and not the post office. Now, I don't know if this company does any stickers, but if they do, that'd be fire. You guys know I love the stickers. And let's see, all they do stickers, except mine's destroyed, but that's fine. It's just this sick. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it because it is yellow. Let me try to, can you, maybe not, maybe, I don't know. But it says Half Evil 333 and just like this nice circle. Kind of dope, except mine's a little bit crushed. No big deal. Still sick that they even threw that in for free. Now, first up, package is A1. I love when clothing companies kind of go that extra step and just give you the poly bag. It does look pretty nice. It makes everything look more clean, in my opinion. And I did get this shirt in a size large. Hopefully it fits me. I normally get a large and everything, but I really couldn't, oh wow, it actually looks kind of small. But here's the graphic. I love this graphic, and it's like the racing graphic. I think I said that earlier. I love this thing. Hopefully you could have seen that. Hopefully you guys have seen that. Who knows? Yeah, I don't know if my camera's picking that up or not. It's really nicely screen printed on. Looks really nice just on a black tee. Looks like probably Gildan, just from the size large tag. It kind of looks like a Gildan shirt, but I don't care. It looks fire. Oh yeah, it looks like it's gonna fit good. Especially if it's Gildan, I know it's gonna fit at that point. But yeah, I really don't have too much more to say about it. I know this was a first for my channel. I've never done anything on this company before. So hopefully you guys at least knew about the company, or hopefully you guys thought it was cool seeing a new brand. I don't know. But they did just do a collab with Lil Skies recently, and I think it was like the Evil Skies collab, and I did pick up a shirt from that, so expect to see a video on that as well. But I will give you a nice little on body of this shirt in case you want to pick one up for yourself. I can let you know what the sizing is. So this is the shirt on. I am 99% sure that it is a Gildan tee, so I would just go your like true to size. I'm sure all you guys have worn Gildan in the past, but just go your true to size on what you wear in Gildan. I usually wear a large and all Gildan. I got this in a large. Honestly, fits me perfect. I know with the lens, you might not be able to tell. Yeah, I'll try to zoom out a little bit for you guys. Let me kneel down a little bit. Yeah, I think it looks sick on me. Yeah, I love the shirt. I'm super hyped with the purchase, and I'm even more excited to get that second packaging from the Evil Skies collab. So I do highly recommend you guys check them out. They're kind of like Supreme. Like any day of the week you go on, you won't be able to buy something. You kind of have to go during select times when they release something, because their stuff does sell out. Not like Supreme fast, it doesn't sell out that fast, but it does sell out. So a lot of the times when you go on the website, you're just gonna see that everything's sold out. So it's kind of like hit or miss, but I will definitely leave their link down below. I highly recommend you guys check them out because I love them as a company. One of my favorite up and coming companies that are out there right now. So let me know in the comments what you thought about this video, if you like the brand, if you've heard of the brand, or if you haven't. And if you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out all my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.